Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valeria and I'm doing fitness and weight loss related content. And today I'm coming to you from my kitchen. Finally, we're finally done with the vacation content. So I'm really very happy to be back, and I'm really very happy to be back on my weight loss journey and fitness journey. It's been already 10 days since I am in Prague. I haven't started to track my food yet, but I started to go to the gym and follow my program right away. Today we are going to do what I eat in day post vacation, where we're going to start tracking our macros and calories. And yeah, let's start with the breakfast. I'm already hungry. I also don't have protein powder because I ran out of my protein powder and it didn't arrive yet. And I know actually that a lot of people don't want to use protein powder or just don't have it. So we'll see how can I manage to still keep my protein quite high without protein powder. First sip of coffee. That actually doesn't look like bad at breakfast. I really enjoy now eating yogurt with fruit because there are so much fresh fruit, like these blueberries are from forest. They're just super healthy. It's like a superfood. So yeah, if you have opportunity to buy just fresh summer fruit, especially from farm market, I think this is just yeah, such a yogurt bowl is the perfect breakfast. Will be better, of course, to have a little bit of protein powder. So it's time for lunch, and I'm actually not super hungry, but when I think about that dish, I'm getting hungry. And this is a poke bowl or sushi bowl. I really had a craving after the whole month in Italy, now more like on sushi and just more Asian cuisine. So yeah, I decided to make my own poke bowl. Let's do it. It is super easy. I had it 2 days before. I have already my rice ready, but I will show you which ingredients I put on top. And actually I think it's very versatile and you can just put whatever you like, but I like to put more of like those Asian ingredients like wakame salad or seaweed, also mango. So this is everything we've got. I have already boiled rice, and for poke bowl, sushi bowl, it needs to be cold. I have a seaweed salad, salmon. You can also do it with chicken, mango, or maybe pineapple, cucumber for freshness, avocado, seaweed like sushi sheets. Then I have pickled ginger, and for dressing I will make wasabi mayo. Just mix lemon juice, mayo and wasabi. soy sauce, and a little bit sesame oil, and sesame seeds on top. Avocado, I said. So yeah, super easy. You can just cut everything and put on top of your rice. And I will warm a little bit rice, not a lot, so it's like not super cold. Okay, now I just need to cut all of that and put it on a plate. You know that some people do not like raw salmon, but they like it raw. So you can also bake salmon and put it on top. But they like it raw, and this is a beer salmon, which is written that you can eat raw before you come for me. A bit of mayo away for extra. Then we have cucumber, we have avocado, pickled ginger, and seaweed, which I just cut. I will eat my lunch on the computer table. That's how I usually actually do it. I'm actually also uploading my Sicily video. If you didn't see it, go check it out. And yeah, let's do a test taste of the perfect bowl perfection, sushi bowl perfection. It's literally like you're eating sushi, and I like sushi a lot. Okay, I think it's time for iced coffee and maybe a little catch up regarding fitness goals. Back in spring, I was on a 12 weeks cutting diet. Here are my results, by the way. I'm very proud of it. I think we did pretty good. I had already now about 6 weeks of dieting. 4 weeks I spent in Italy, and now 2 weeks at home, but at home I was more consistent with my diet. Today I'm kicking off another 8 to 10 weeks of cutting diet, because we're not still where we want to be. I would say I'm looking to slim down again, maybe 3 to 4 kilograms. I will look in the mirror, of course, and see how I feel, but I think realistically this is my goal now. So yeah, that's why I will be again doing cutting weight loss content, and of course we want to preserve our muscles, so I'm going to the gym, and of course I want to be more active to burn those calories and burn that extra fat. I will try to implement also 2 days of running, and I will try to hit 10k steps. It's been hard because it's very hot and I'm just literally the whole day sitting indoors working, and then it's just like I'm very lazy to go outside, to be honest, but yeah, hopefully we can manage it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will finish my iced coffee and then I will see you with my dinner. I decided to eat a quick dinner, which will be chicken salad. I have chicken already prepared, like chicken cubes. I always have them in my fridge, you know, and then I will make some salad, and I will have a dressing which is mustard honey dressing. I usually just put in a jar of mustard same amount of honey and mix it, and I have it in the jar, store it in the fridge just to drizzle it in a salad. And I have also some cheese, and I think that will be it. I'm missing some carb, but as I was not really active today, it probably is fine. Cucumber, tomatoes, some onions, then we have our chicken, some cheese. This is a pecorino cheese, honey mustard dressing. found this taralli we brought from Italy. This is a typical Apulian snack. I think for aperitivos they use them, such circles from dough and olive oil. But I need to weigh them.